So it is Tuesday and it's 3rd of February. So let's see what we have today. Euro USD. We have some nice order block. Yeah, do have some levels down here. The next one will be here. Next one here. So from here to here, let's check out the trend indicator. Highest trend wants to go down. Let's go to the 1 minute. What we have no signal. Okay, so gbpusd, what we have, we tapped all the levels. Yeah, and next one will be here as well. Will be here. We have something in here. Yep, here is next upper level. Okay, so quite huge, but we are still forming something in here, so this may become our level. So we have potential sell level with eurusd. What's looking like it could come to play, and we have potential buy level, like we have sell level in here as well, but I don't think this will be the play what will come in there. So yeah, London open in a little bit less than 10 minutes. So let's see also then this this candle will close. So let's see if we can have this order block. Also, I'm like quite heavily backtesting right now order blocks, and I made a lot of like rules and separate like conditions, and what I can tell like right now, it probably will take me at least a week to properly backtest 2 years of like all the order block data. But as of right now, those would be better trades, like with momentum. Even if, for example, if I scroll down, overall trend is down, but it is better to trade with momentum. So for example, right now momentum is up. So for example, in here, price tapped to the order block and took off because momentum was already up. We made like higher highs on the smaller term, like higher highs, momentum was up, going up. Here no order block, here was kind of order block, we tapped in here and we again made higher high, and now as well, to be honest, like cleanest trade looks like it would be like this, tap in here and we took off. With eurusd, it's still order block, I would still take it, trend is still down. Let me check this once more. Okay, so trend is still down and everything, so we could reverse in here. It's quite a nice level, but yeah, at least for me it seems like do we have order block? Nope, but it seems like best cases would be trade with momentum, like current momentum. Yeah, so let's check out yesterday as well. eurusd, nothing here. Would like it was like interesting area, but not quite order blocks in our terms, but it would have been nice area to sell. But gbpusd, it was like little bit later than I was expected. I hoped that this candle will break in here and we took off, but yeah, yesterday I would say that that was like trade of the day. Sells in here, it even gave us many entries, even like 2 trades actually. I guess right now we don't tap anywhere. I can show you. So we tapped in here first time in here, So if you took it, you get take profit 1 at least, maybe break even here, but also here was another order block tap and sell opportunity, and now we even like changed the momentum or trend in here. So yeah, here I would sell again, and this would be a runner till next order block. So just provisionally, let's see, sell 7 pip stop loss, or like, okay, now we use higher stop loss, but let's just check that out. 7 pip, take profit 1 in here somewhere, and let it run till, yeah, 37 pips. So in here take profit 1 hit, in here take profit 1 and 2 hits. But yeah, I don't trade that time anymore. But yeah, that was like potentially setup of the day. That's also my interest. Let me go here back to 1 minute just to make sure. By the way, if we like pull back, or like we going lower and we pull back in here and get the signal, I would sell again. And this looks like solid level. With gbpusd, let's see, we have a little bit more to go, 5 minutes to go, then this 50-minute candle closes, then we have our fair value gap. If it stays like this, and then we can looking for buys in here as well. and yeah, by the way, I tested out this FX replay feature to add your own like account in there. So it's pretty much replacing Tradezilla now. I don't have any trades yet in there, but like this month, I mean. But if we catch some trades, I think I will start showing that one, that FX replay, you know, analytics in there. So yeah, it's pretty nice. But yeah, let's wait for candle close, and I guess we will have something. Also, what I have I've seen, I'm like right now I don't test entries, but it seems to me that best case scenario would be if there is either like main market structure break or micro market structure break. So for example, in here we have some structure. You actually remove this one and make it like this. So we have some structure, we just broke it, and now I would look for sells. I have like few ideas how to catch it, but as of overall, like after structure break, it is looks like cleaner. So in here I will I think yesterday was that where was it, was that one example. I don't know if with eurusd or no. Okay, eurusd took off. So like for example, let's just say that we want for some reason enter here. So in here we would right now we would just enter, like we get the signal, I don't know, for example in here we get the signal, let's assume that here is order block, we tapped into order block, we have signal, we enter. But now if we really wait for structure break, which means that candle need to be break, not wicks. So for example in here, no break, no break, no break, and we don't enter because no breaks, no breaks, no breaks till actually here. Here is our break, and yeah, here is also like micro break. So we, of course it's not like 100% win rate after that, but as of overall we will get you know, better quality signals because of micro structure break. And yeah, that way it is like better. We will miss probably like you know, those really precise entries, for example, I don't know, entries right there or something, But for example, in that case, so signal was here. Okay, I can make you example right now. So let's assume that we wanted to enter here. So here was some order block, we wanted to enter here. So here was the signal, here was next candle. We would have entered here. This would have been, yes, take profit in here, but you can see it play with our stop loss. Now, when we need market structure shift, here is little one, we broke it, we came back down to test it, and now we would enter here. And it happens almost like every time that in that case, yes, we will miss some trades because of that, because sometimes it's just going like up or down without any like pullbacks. But most cases, as soon as like market has done market structure shift, probably I would add here 50% Fibonacci. So we need to come back to 50% Fibonacci, and now we want to have our entry, because here was confirmation that yes, we had we had signal, we had market structure shift, 50% pullback, and next candle we will go in. And you can see as soon as we were in second minute, we already catch take profit one, and we don't have any pullbacks, so we don't catch our break even that way. Because also that's another problem. Last month, I think I only catch one take profit two. There was a lot of take profit twos what were hit, but before hitting it, like for example, if we would enter here, okay, if we would enter here, we would still catch take profit two, but most cases we will add only like take profit one, then we had this pullback, and then it took off. So I think we should start to looking for ways to have cleaner entries and cleaner take profit ones and twos hitting. So for example, in here, this was our like sell opportunity. That was before our session, of course, but here is no market structure shift, and because of that, again this pattern repeats. Of course, right now we use like double stop loss because of that, but we just weakened out our stop loss, and then price took off, looks like it. So instead of that, like I said, we will probably need to have right now we have just like double the stop loss, so we will prevent those things. But yeah, probably we will need market structure shift and then pullback. So for example, in here we would like to have, of course it may go lower as well, and we may not get the trade, but if we catch pullback, and then we want to go in, but it will become next month probably, because I need to test it properly as well to have some data. But right now it seems like that way we would have like way cleaner setups. And like last month probably there was like, I would say 90% win rate with if we would be cleaner with those things. Now it seems like gbpusd wants to do something. Yeah, I will go definitely in here for the buy if we catch that one. Let me remove those things in here, and yeah, eurusd, let's see how it plays out. If it goes like really low, then I probably don't want to enter anymore, but yeah, gbpusd looking better. Let's go back to the 1 minute. We are nearly, like, probably next push we will get the signal as well, so let's see. Let me check out chat as well. gbpusd sell zone. No, there is no unmitigated order block. There is like really good POI level, but not unmitigated order block. So I wouldn't make this sell in here. You're in, by the way, Jordan? In the sell with gbpusd here? It looks like it still worked out. But here is actually again like one more example that actually we get already signal in here. Okay, actually we have like signal already in here. So again, like signal was correct, just too early. That's maybe the main problem with the real value indicator. Signal is too early most of the times. So now if we would wait for market structure shift and pull back, then it will be like for sure our hit rate will be way better. We will miss a lot of trades, not a lot, but I would say like 20-30% of the trades we will miss. But yeah, that way we will have way better win rate. Like I'm quite sure of that, and we will hit take profit twos a lot more as well. So let's see, probably yeah. By March we have like really bulletproof system. I'm quite sure about it, because yeah, last month, if you watch January's either TikTok or Instagram posts about our setups, then I think there was like basically 100% of zones we were getting trades actually like reversed. So our zones were pretty much correct. Yeah, just it was about entries. Okay, so right now we are going towards gbpusd zone. I would really like to have this trade because, like I said, momentum is actually up. Even let's see, it says that yeah, mid-term trend is up, bigger term is down. I guess because yeah, we're going down. But like right as of right now, mid-term trend is actually up. So I like those mid-term trend plays more, or like backtest shows that those are more precise if we have this like momentum up. And right now we have it. So let's see with eurusd. Let me close those ones in here as well. Yeah, our next zone is in here. We tapped in here. Yeah, let's see, looks like do we really get the signal and green candle? Okay, I went in, it was maybe a mistake, it was actually red, but I just went in here, little mistake. If you want better entry, wait for like green candle, but yeah, I thought it will close green. So my take profit one, the stop loss will be 15 pips because I doubled my stop loss, and take profit one will be 7.5 in here. So let's see, bigger stop loss, more room to play. Let's see. But yeah, little mistake. I thought it will be green candle, but yeah, probably next candle or like 2 candles after we have green candle. And also we can check that out if this will be, actually let me adjust my take profit 2 as well. 15 minute, let me remove this one right now. Where should be our take profit 2? In here, that's like, okay, that's 50 pips, but you know what, I am going for it. That level in here will be my take profit 2. Yep, 52 pips is my take profit too. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Okay. It's weird, like you saw it as well, that this was red candle, right? Now it's green. What the hell? It was literally red candle. But yeah, that was the entry. Let's see. I'm in here. Also, let's see that one as well, that if we would wait for a market structure shift, because right now we have like highs. We didn't break those highs, and now let's see, maybe now we will break those highs. Yes, candle needs to close above those highs as well, then it's valid break. Okay, it looks like nice trade, but also I can tell you why it will be like it. If usually we have like some, like for example in here we play around here, but right now we kind of tapped and took off. Why is that so? Because our momentum is up, and that's like, we're just going up, we're going up, we're going up, and we expect that we are going up as well. So even though our like bigger term trend is down, our momentum is actually pretty nicely up. But yeah, I think that's it for today. What we will have eurusd level down here. Right now I don't anymore try to catch this sell in here, because that has already pretty much gone. So yeah, eurusd I would wait for tap in here or in here, or this lower one, or maybe upper one. And gbpusd, I have this buy, and if we catch the stop loss and we tap in here, I would buy from here as well. So let's see which one we will catch. Yeah, thank you for joining. I will update you what I will do with this position and when I would break even and so on. But yeah, thank you for joining, and bye bye.